Hi, today I am going to show how I can fix misrepresentation issue on Google Merchant Center. So you can see on the July it's suspended on misrepresentation. Then I fix everything in the website and the account. So then I give review request. Then it's approved. This is a approved message. There is the message approved, and I will show in the home page. You can see approve all products 5. So I can go another accounts. There are already 1 lakh plus product active, you can see. So if you have any issue on your Google Merchant Center, please tell me. I can help you with guarantee. Okay, thank you so much.